I think one of the main reasons that I started Roots Skincare was I've been in the industry for quite a while, and I've kind of noticed that the exterior is what we focus on. If we can touch these women from the inside out, then we're going to be making a difference. A lot of cosmetics, well-known cosmetics, have very toxic ingredients in their ingredient deck, and a lot of people have no idea what they're putting on their face and into their largest organ, which is your skin. So we use all plant-based, organic and natural products. It was shocking to me to research some of the main ingredients and a lot of the skincare products that I was using. I found a couple lines that I really loved, and I loved, just the ingredients that they were using. And I thought, you know what? I bet we can do this, and then maybe add in a few additional pieces like they have active ingredients like retinols and alpha hydroxys that would create benefits for the skin. So that weren't as harsh as maybe some medical procedures that a lot of people opt to do. I always laugh because our secret ingredient, people are like, what is different about your skincare line? Like, it's infused with love, and we do. Everything that's touched has, our own personal love attached to it.